Okay, let me show you how you can extract an MSI. I have a Zoom installer. It's an exe application and I will extract the MSI out of it. To do that, we have to download the 7-zip application. Simply download and once it is downloaded and installed, click on the application, the exe application. Right click on 7-zip and you need to click on extract to option with your application name, which is the exe file, and simply click on it. Once done, in the same location a folder would be created, and if you go inside the folder you should be able to see the MSI application which is integrated with the exe file. This is how we can simply go ahead and extract the MSI from any exe application.